Hello! はい、どうもこんにちは。I'm RumiCar from RumiCar. On 8th November 2025, RumiCar's math scientist Sugiyama Hiroyuki-san exhibited RumiCar at the Tokai Environmental Festa 2025. Thank you for your cooperation. Take a look at this part of the event flyer. You can see the word RumiCar here along with the phrase RumiCar, anyone can develop autonomous driving. The Tokai Environmental Festa is an event where organizations and businesses based in Tokai Village present their environmental activities, allowing visitors to enjoy learning about environmental issues through hands-on experiences. According to Sugiyama-san, many young children showed interest in RumiCar. Parents were able to understand what RumiCar is. Sugiyama-san even introduced RumiCar to Mayor Yamada of Tokai Village. Wow, that's amazing! Join us in supporting RumiCar. See you in the next video!